Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by organizing your add-on folder inside Gmod/addons on your Steam game drive. Keep a clear structure using folders named Lua, Materials, Models, and Maps. Verify all required files load correctly in a local game test. Create one 512x512 preview image and include a short description under 300 words. Ensure your add-on size stays under 100 megabytes for standard workshop limits. Note any external dependencies and list them clearly in the description. Open the Garrysmod/bin folder and locate Gmod. exe to pack your add-on into a GMA file. Run Gmod. exe create folder myaddon out myaddon. GMA using a command prompt in that bin directory. Wait until the tool finishes and confirm the creation of the GMA output file. Load the generated GMA locally in Garry's mod to verify there are no missing assets or runtime errors. Fix any issues, repack, and retest until the add-on functions reliably in-game. Launch Garry's mod and open the add-ons or workshop uploader to publish your myaddon GMA file. Fill in a clear title, relevant tags, and set visibility to public, friends only, or private. Attach the 512x512 preview image and paste your concise description into the provided field. Click Publish and wait for Steam to process the upload, then test the workshop copy by subscribing and loading it in-game. When you update files, repack a new GMA and use the update option to replace the existing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.